Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from Andro.com. This week on Spotlight Mondays, I have a Sri Lankan exclusive on a product that you can't really buy right here in Sri Lanka, but you can order online and get it delivered right to your doorstep. That will really simplify your wallet game. So this is my wallet, right? It's the average wallet most of you guys have. This is a leather one that I have over here that I've been using for a long time, but it gets bulky, right? So whenever I have to go outside, even for a party or something, to carry this around, sometimes it gets really bulky and I always have to have everything inside this. I sometimes wish that I don't really have to carry this and I would have had something smaller. So that's where this gadget comes into play. This is the Ridge wallet. So I have two Ridge wallets. Both of these were sent out to me by Ridge. So here we have the burnt titanium Ridge wallet, and this is the 18 karat gold plated Ridge wallet that I have over here. And I've been using the Ridge wallet as a wallet replacement right here in Sri Lanka. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience with the Ridge wallet, the pros and cons that I faced in the time that I used the Ridge wallet. Before we get started with this video, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet, but the thoughts and opinions in this video are my own after using both of these Ridge wallets for a couple of weeks now. You can check out these products at ridge.com/Andro Dollar and you can get 10% off at checkout by using the coupon code Andro Dollar. So with all of that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. First off, by unboxing these. So this is a package that I received from Ridge. They sent it through DHL, so it was a really fast delivery. So really gotta appreciate that. So opening the package up, these are the contents inside. We have the Ridge 18 karat gold plated Ridge wallet, along with the burnt titanium Ridge wallet, and the money clip and elastic upgrade kit also a part of this package. So first off, here I have the burnt titanium Ridge wallet. It looks pretty cool from the front, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel off that plastic and show you guys around the box a little bit. So at the front it says the Ridge wallet titanium and it has a picture of the product, and at the back it says carry less, live more, and it details the features of the Ridge wallet. And at the top and bottom it says the Ridge, the wallet redefined, and on the side it says titanium burnt. So let me go ahead and open this up so that you guys get an idea about what it looks like. The first thing that you find when you open up the Ridge wallet is the welcome leaflet that Ridge has put into the box. So it mentions the site as well as details about the other products that they are selling. So definitely check out ridge.com/Andro Dollar to get 10% off your order and use the coupon code Andro Dollar like I mentioned before to get the best deal when you pick up a Ridge wallet. Inside the package you also get this Ridge sticker that is included, so I'm gonna keep that to the side. And this is the Ridge wallet. This is the burnt titanium Ridge wallet that I have over here. Looks pretty neat in person, to be honest, and I'm really digging that purple color at the top that is blending in nicely with the gray color that we have at the bottom, and that titanium finish looks pretty neat. We also get a screwdriver that is included inside the box, along with some additional screws that are included in this box in case you need it, in case the screws get loosened up or something like that. It's nice that it's there. So now let's focus our attention onto the individual money clip that is elastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that right now. It says individual money clip plus elastic upgrade kit at the front, and at the back it gives some details about it. Opening it up, you will find this small leaflet, so I'm gonna keep that to the side. Here we have the money clip and the elastic if you want to use it as an extra option. Next we have the most premium Ridge wallet that I got, which is the 18 karat gold plated Ridge wallet. So having a look at the 18 karat gold plated Ridge wallet box as well, at the front it says the Ridge 18 karat gold plated, on the side it says the same thing, and at the top it says the Ridge, and at the bottom it says the wallet redefined. At the back of the box it says carry less, live more, again with the features of this Ridge wallet gold plated edition that we have over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box, and again we have this welcome leaflet along with the stickers, so I'm gonna keep that to the side over here. We also get this microfiber cleaning cloth inside this 18 karat gold plated one, and next we find the 18 karat gold plated Ridge wallet itself. Looks pretty shiny, so I'm gonna keep that to the side for just a sec. We also get the money clip plus elastic upgrade kit included in the 18 karat gold one, along with the special edition screwdriver from the Ridge as well. It looks pretty nice in the silver color compared to the black one that we got with the titanium one. We also get additional screws in case you need it, just like with the titanium Ridge wallet. So it's nice that Ridge thinks about all of these things and includes it all inside the box, so you don't have to really mess around, try to find all of these things later on. It all comes inside the box. So now let me just gather everything around and show you guys what I have received. So here I have the burnt titanium Ridge wallet on my left and the special 18 karat gold plated one on the right. As you guys can see, there's a difference between the packaging of the 18 karat gold and the burnt titanium Ridge wallet. Ridge told me that there are over 30 colors and styles for you to pick from, so that's pretty great. And due to the durable material that the Ridge wallet has, it comes with a lifetime warranty as well. And the Ridge team is so confident that you like it, they even let you test drive it for 45 days, so you can send it back for a full refund if you don't love it. And the Ridge wallet can hold up to 12 cards, so that's a great relief if you have a lot of cards. And here's a quick look at the screwdrivers as well, in case you're interested in that. The 18 karat gold one comes with this silver one, and the burnt titanium one comes with this black screwdriver. Like it mentioned in that leaflet, it mentioned to go to ridge.com, so that is where I'm going. And this is the Ridge getting started site. Basically this will give you an introduction about how to use the Ridge wallet and also how you can properly maintain it so that you can use this wallet for a very long time. So just to give you an idea about how this wallet works, basically you can just pull the product out by pushing it from this hole that's there at the bottom. So if you just push it out, the card that you have inside will jump out and you can easily put it back into this wallet by using this. And at the back with this elastic money clip, you can easily hold money as well, so that's a pretty great thing to have in case of emergency. Now that we are done with the unboxing part, let me share with you guys my experience with the Ridge wallet over the past couple of weeks. So mainly I was using this burnt titanium Ridge wallet alongside with my wallet here. So this is the wallet, the bulky wallet that I've been using all this time. But the thing is, even in this wallet I have a lot of cards. I use a lot of credit cards and debit cards and the insurance card and all of that. Everything is in this wallet, and this is the one thing that I take outside whenever I have to go out, from my NIC to the driving license. Everything is inside this wallet, right? So I had to figure out a way that I can get the most essential stuff into the Ridge wallet. So I have got my driving license, the insurance card, as well as 2 or 3 primary cards that I use on a day-to-day basis. The most must-have cards for me inside my Ridge wallet, and now this is the wallet that I carry most of the time. I still use this big wallet whenever I have to carry a lot more things, because the national identity card here in Sri Lanka is not coming in this size as of now. At least the one that I personally have is not this size yet. So because of that, I have a problem of putting that inside here. But I have the driving license that is packed into the Ridge wallet over here. So basically you can push out cards from this side and you can easily access your cards just like this. And you can get whatever card you want really fast, and once you're done you can just pop all of it back inside, and it's a pretty convenient experience. I used it outside a couple of times. It was a different kind of experience compared to the normal wallet, and whenever I have to just run outside for a quick thing, I have the driving license inside this, So I just put some cash in here just in case I ever need it as well, and I grab this and just go. I love that the Ridge wallet is very small, so I can just place it in the front pocket as well, or just even leave it in the vehicle in most cases, because it's just very easy to carry around, and I don't have to have this bulky wallet at the back of my trousers. And also with the Ridge wallet, something else I want to mention is that this is made with RFID blocking technology, so it protects you from digital pickpocketers as well. If that's ever a concern, this is a great option for you to carry on, because you never know, with technology improving, all of those things could affect, but you will know if you use the Ridge wallet that you are protected with that. And something else I want to mention is that this wallet is pretty sturdy. Even though it's small, it's pretty sturdy. Right here I'm trying to bend it right now with all of my cards inside, but it's pretty rigid. And these screws that are there, like I showed you in the unboxing part, there's a screwdriver that is included in the box, so you can use it to tighten this up if it ever gets loose. And if you have a couple of these Ridge wallets, something that I noticed is that you can really change out the plates and customize the look. So if I want to have maybe a gold plate here at the back of my titanium one, I can remove these screws and change it and use it, because all of these are the same size. So it's the size of a credit card. If you want to get an idea about the size difference, here I'm just going to use the card that Ridge sent me. I have a business card here as well, so let me show you guys the difference. So this is what the Ridge wallet looks like when compared to a normal sized credit card sized card that I have over here with the Andro Dollar logo. So if you ask me, after using this kind of bulky wallet for a while, switching to a Ridge wallet was a really refreshing change, and I really like the minimalistic look and the design that it has, and overall the durability as well. When it comes to the pricing of the Ridge wallet, there are a couple of options like I mentioned, so it's best that you go to the Ridge wallet website and get the details. So please visit ridge.com/AndroDollar to get the pricing information on these Ridge wallets, and definitely remember that if you use the coupon code AndroDollar, you get 10% off. So that's an exclusive just for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll have all those links down below in the description so that it'll be easier for you as well. So now that I've used the Ridge wallet for a couple of weeks, will I be using the Ridge wallet, or will I have to switch back to my old wallet after this video? Actually, I'm going to continue to use the Ridge wallet in the coming weeks as well. I think it's a really nice change that I have here with the Ridge wallet. I'm going to use the big bulky wallet as well, just in case I have to carry the NIC or all of my other cards. We'll have around 30 odd cards in this wallet. So in case I ever need to carry on all those cards, I can always use the Ridge wallet, put it very conveniently inside this big wallet, and I have both of those things. But majority of my days I'm gonna try to just use the Ridge wallet as it is, with all of these, with the money clip at the back. I think this will be my new wallet replacement, and the wallet that I personally will use on a day-to-day basis moving forward. So once again, special thanks to Ridge for sponsoring this video, as well as sending me these Ridge wallets to check out and try out, and bring you guys a video on this. If you guys really like what you see, you can check it out at ridge.com/AndroDollar, and you can use the coupon code AndroDollar to get 10% off your order. They have express shipping as well, so you will get your Ridge wallet really fast. And so far my experience has been great, and I'll keep you guys updated on social media how my experience is going as well. Definitely let me know if you guys have any questions or any concerns about this product. I will definitely hang around in the comment section down below to help you guys out if there's anything else. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And if you found this video helpful, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends all over social media as well. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.